Hey Doug, this is Steve, and I saw your post about this chamfer, and you got good comments back, but it's pretty simple to turn this into a solid and chamfer it. And maybe I'm not understanding what you're saying, but I've got a solid here. Not a solid, but just a polyline solid. And I'm going to make it 12 inches from the floor, and I'm going to make it 3 inches, and then go like that. So if we look at that, it is just a cube, 24 inches square concrete. And I'm going to open this view up here and remove backdrop. Maybe give it a little color here. And so you can see what we got here. And I'm sure you know how to do that. But what I would do here is I would open this elevation view of this right here. And I would draw a polyline here and make it 1.5 inches by 10. That's fine. So we can get an 1.5 inch chamfer right there. And then I want to get this point over to here, but I don't think I can do a point to point here in this view. Let's see. No, because I can't pick up that point. And so what I'm going to do is a CAD detail from view and draw a line from here to here. Copy that. Go back. I'm going to close this. Go back to my view here, right here, 1. Control-Alt-V, paste that for paste and hold position. Use point to point and put it right there. And then I'm just going to move it down 1.5 inches, minus 1.5. And then I'm going to select that, use this tool, and make it a polyline solid. And I'm just going to make it like 48 inches long. And if we looked at that, there it is, chamfer and all. If we look at it in plan view, it's not in the right location, obviously, so I would just select it and center it here and call it a day. Then I would go back here, click on it, copy it, and reflect it about right here, and put another one right there. There you go. Then I would copy these two over to here, and I guess I can't group rotate them, so actually we don't need both. And I would center one right here, sorry, and use point to point and put it right here, maybe stretch it out a bit, and then copy it and reflect it about this way. And if we look at it in plan view, that's what we've got. I mean, in a 3D view. And put shadows on so you can kind of see it a little better. And maybe even sun follows camera, since I always have that turned off, it seems like. Okay. So now what do? So now you click on this, and then here, and make it a solid. And then what you do is you click here, and you make that a solid. Then you click the cube again, right here. How about if I do it right here? And then you click this, and you click this, and it subtracts it. And there's your chamfer. So you turn all these into solids. So click here, group select, turn them into solids. And then click this, hit this, and hit this. Click this, hit this, hit this. Click this, hit this, and hit this. And there's your 1.5 inch chamfer on your footing. It's 24 inches square. And then what I would do is I would just turn it into a symbol. And I don't know what really to make it. I'm thinking fixture interior. Maybe somebody smarter than me can answer that and call it footing with chamfer 100. I've already got one, I think. And then I would change this smoothing angle to about 15, say, so that line right there shows up. And The only other thing you really have to worry about is the sizing. I turn on my XYZ here. And the only thing I think you really need to worry about, well, I don't know without testing it, but like on the height, I would say maybe 1. Yeah, put a stretch plane. And then on the Y stretch plane here, I think I would go -12. And the X should be okay, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Click OK. And then go back to my plan and we can try this. So put it in here. And go back here to the perspective view. And I don't know which one is which now. Sorry. But let's just say we wanted to stretch this to 3 foot by 3 foot. So we can take a look at it here. Oh, it's this one. And yeah, the chamfer didn't change. Did it? I don't think so. So there you go. There you can place those in a slab somewhere and put them where you want. So like here, you could take this over here and we'll draw a slab right here. We'll put this we'll make it 4 inches and make it 0. And then you can just take this and open it up and go from floor to top, say 3. And there you go. There's your footing. So I don't know if that helps, but maybe it'll help somebody looking at your thread here. So hope that helps. See you. Thanks.